This is a quick app review for my app Best Facebook. So actually what it does, it loads your Facebook in a much you can say better way, and it handles your network in better way. So how it's able to do so, once you go into settings, right, if you have a slow network you can disable your images. So once you go back in the app you will see there are no images. So what it does, it actually uses it disables images, so it saves your data and it loads the pages faster. So once again, if you have the phone with the menu button, so you can hide the title bar. This is the title bar where you can see the settings, right? So here there is no title bar, so the app is on the full screen. So once again, it's going to be useful for those who have the small screen sizes. Once again, what you can do, you can use the app for the full screen if you don't want to see your notifications and want to utilize your whole screen for this app. So you can actually do it by going into the settings and click on the full screen and hide the status bar. One more thing what you can do in the settings is the tablet mode. It is really helpful for the devices which have the larger screens like Samsung Note 3 and other tablets. So once you click in, you go back, so you can see it totally changes the UI of the app. So what it does, it has a better video handling. You can view the videos on the whole screen. It is a better for larger screen devices, so it's not recommended for the devices which have screen sizes less than 5 inches. So that's it for it. Hope you enjoyed my app. So please rate us 5 stars, because to get the more stuff like this, please rate us stars and leave a comment. If you need any help, you can anytime email us or just leave us a message on our Facebook page. So that's it. Thank you.